Hair thinning? Low energy? Confidence not what it used to be? This Father's Day, invest in yourself. That's why this Father's Day, we're offering 20% off hair PRP treatments and free hair restoration and hair transplant consultations. And because looking good starts with feeling good, you can also book a men's health consultation with Dr. Amani Flood. And you'll receive 20% off on all recommended products following your consultation to help support your wellness goals. We are also offering 20% off on all PRP services, including PShot and Vampire Facial. You've spent years showing up for everyone else. This Father's Day, it's your turn. Book today and mention promo code DAD4CARE. Available June 1st through June 30th.